This song is dedicated to all the children around the world whose fathers and mothers have died, leaving them all alone. And also to all the poor people around the world. May the Lord God in heaven richly bless them and bring prosperity into their life. A millionaire, a wealthy man, don't try to steal from the poor. A big shot man, a money man, don't try to steal from the poor. I am a Yesu child, you have no right to come and take my belongings and drop me on the floor like this. If you do such things, the Lord will punish you. Do you know you will be thrown into the lake of fire? Don't take those little children's treasures. Don't try to steal from the poor. Hey criminal, hey murderer, don't try to steal from the poor. Hey wizard man, hey poison man, don't try to steal from the poor. Be beginning it long God, you know got right lokam. Na kissing something dong ni tromoy nilang frozen. Ya sapos you make him all same God by punishing you. You must have a awesome by you go lang fire no got finish. Don't take those little children's treasures. Don't try to steal from the poor. Me picking it long God, you know got right, you know got power. Long kiss him all something blong me, you clear long me, you devil Satan flee. Don't take those little children's treasures. Don't try to steal from the poor. Be picking in it long God, you know got right, you know got power. Long kiss him all something blong me, you clear along me, you devil Satan flee. Don't take those little children's treasures.